Hey guys, welcome. It's Wednesday today. So today we're going to talk about, we're going to discuss similarities and differences in family celebrations of Dia de los Muertos. Have you ever heard that word before? That is called the Day of the Dead. It's a big celebration people have celebrating those that are dead. We're going to read this story together, and then I want you to pay attention to some things that might be the same, maybe same as Halloween, and some things that are different maybe with Halloween. So we're going to talk about those similarities and differences. And just remember that the Day of the Dead is a big celebration. It's a celebration of those that are no longer with us. And so people in Mexico, in South America, and even in the United States here in Texas celebrate this. It's called the Day of the Dead. So let's listen to this story and then let's talk about some similarities and differences that we see. Okay? All right.